Hello all, let us see how to solve this particular problem. So basically what is given is there are two lists. List 1 defines all the logic families, mentions all the logic families basically, and then list 2 defines some of the characteristics slash applications. So we have to map the corresponding characteristic slash application of a logic family mentioned in the list 1 to list 2 and find the suitable option as mentioned here. So before describing this, what we have to define is basically we have to understand is the evolution of this logic family. So the evolution of logic family, if we restrict to these 4, started with RTL, and then it comes to DCL, and it comes to DTL, and then the ECL. So there might be some in between, but the evolution we can describe this way. First one would be resistor transistor logic, second one direct coupled logic, and then diode transistor logic, and then emitter coupled logic. So one thing we can say that emitter coupled logic, because of the emitter coupling, this is the fastest digital logic family among all. So if you see the C option is can be directly mapped to 3, because all the previous families have some other disadvantages with respect to the propagation delay. Emitter coupled logic is the fastest digital logic among all these. And then if you consider the other families, let us start with RTL. So the RTL would look this way. If you consider 2 input RTL gate, example NOR gate, okay, plus VCC, and then there will be R. The base shall be coupled with a resistor and the input shall be provided, and then there will be another gate. So this is a 2 input NAND gate, and the output shall be from here. This is a simple RTL gate where the inputs are provided to the base through the resistors. So the difference between RTL and DCL is that there won't be any resistor here. The input shall be directly coupled. So the difference between RTL and DCL, if you see, is that DCL has advantages as well as disadvantages. The advantage is that DCL occupies low space because the resistors are removed. And then they can be integrated into the circuits easily than RTL because of additional components elimination. But one disadvantage with respect to DCL compared to RTL is that if a particular input without a resistor drives the base emitter strong, and it pulls out all the current to this gate, then the other gate may not be able to drive this on, because the VB, even though VB is provided, because all the current will be driven to this transistor. So this particular condition where one transistor drives the entire current is called current hogging. So there is more chance of this happening in DCL than RTL, because RTL has a controlled VBE. DCL will have this issue. That means if you see A, that means A shall be mapped to 4. Okay, now RTL, among these, RTL is the initial digital transistor logic, and it is the slowest among these considering the resistors. So we can see D goes to slowest speed of operation, and definitely whatever B is left out goes to direct coupled logic. So this is how basically the gates are mapped. So one is emitter coupled logic, is the very fastest speed of operation, and then the resistor transistor logic is the slowest among all, and direct coupled logic have an issue of current hogging, as we mentioned, and diode transistor logic is good for monolithic IC, because if we mention like regarding the DTL logic, so if you take the example of a NAND gate implementation, so there will be number of diodes that will be here, instead of resistors, and etching these diodes on a IC is easiest option. So it is good for monolithic IC. So the advantage with respect to DTL comes with respect to monolithic IC as the number of sections increase. So that is how this is mapped. So if you consider these options 4 to A, and this is the correct answer for this. So A is mapped to 4, B is mapped to 1, C is mapped to 3, and D is mapped to 2. So if you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you.